Okay, so we're here in Macau, and we're kind of in this type of village area, and I think we're probably going to walk up there in a minute, and we're also going to read some of these signs and see what they say.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha, Chiquinha.
So before we even read those, I see a gate that's open, so let's just take it. I think it's open. I think I can go in. It's raining here. Oh, okay, yeah. Let's go all the way up then. Oh yeah. Alright. So we'll go back down in a second and then we'll try to film that. Got a lot of rain in here, so gotta be careful. Oh, looks like we can't get any further than that. Let's just walk around anyways. It's under film surveillance. I was thinking these were connected, so there's a nice little beautiful colonial house right here, and then this kind of talks about all this whole village area. Anyways, I guess I'll have to go back down again, and I'll show some type of village photos at the end, and I'll just go through and share some of those things down there and the signs. Do that now. So yeah, we're in a rainy day in Taipa. It's the end of August in the COVID era, just to kind of see the background and stuff. Yeah, it looks like they didn't lock the gate, so I was able to go right through. Okay, so let's just see what they talk about. Talking about architectural styles, Chinese Western Nouveau. It was an old type of village. Used to be a small fishing village. Everybody was involved with fishing. It began to thrive in the 1950s, in the reign of the Qing dynasty, and then there was shipbuilding, and many people chose to make their homes in this old town area. So land reclamation and associated factors turned it into more of a community. So okay, so it looks like we got some photos. Okay, so yeah, maybe this is type of village it looks like. Yeah, Mapa de Taipa. So it used to be right on the water. So sometimes I film and you can see that there was kind of a spot where now the casinos are at. Let's see the next one. There's a map. So we're kind of in this area, somewhere in this area, and then this is type of village. So I'll definitely put some at the bottom. And this one, let me see. This one just talks about Sampo, the water goddess. Okay, I think I've seen some of those temples before. The Carmo building. Pretty interesting. Let's see. This one talks about a temple, so there's a temple over there. Let's just kind of go on through some of these details. So if you want to look at it specifically, you can. There's Portuguese. So they're talking about the Carmo Church. Okay, this is a couple more, and then we're gonna see what we can see on this rainy day. So they're basically talking about the church. There's a big church up on the hill. And I do film that sometimes, 1970s, okay. So there's some of the information. One more. So you can look at that if you want to and see more about Taipa. As for me, I want to get up here. I want to see what else is in this area. I've seen it many times, but I never really come around this area. So now we're back at this spot on this rainy day. This is Carmo Hall, and there's lots of people walking around in this area, so we're gonna film them a little bit. There we go. Let's walk all the way down. So we got a beautiful little water rooftop there on a rainy day like today. And there's Taipa Village down there. Looking nice. Oh, I got a vintage store now too. Okay. It's kind of raining, so cool little space. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is right there. Frame it with those two windows like that. Now we have another frame shot right there. There's a window and a door. It's beautiful. Okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. But this film right here, this is a Petisqueira Portuguese restaurant. And right here we have a Harley Davidson shop. So I think what I'll do is I'll just walk down a little bit, try to capture the beauty of this particular space. And then we're gonna walk and capture it from this angle. Now this particular angle is pretty interesting. So you'll have beautiful sign right there for one. And then you have your banyan trees. And your roti. Also a pretty cool spot. We're going to try to capture that right from the pretty interesting angle. Might have to step back a little bit, capture it. And then this one, you have some pretty interesting artwork already in here. It's going to keep it focused on that, like that. Yeah, and then that one you have this whole angle. Let's see what's in this alley. Nothing but a doorway. We're just gonna sneak across real quick into this. This one I just want to show you the broom. And there's a broom right there, right? And also you have some pretty good views from this particular spot as well. Beautiful tree. And look at that. You frame it. Somebody's walking right there. It's like beautiful framing. Just like that. Look at that. It's the Portuguese place. And we're just gonna walk down some of these alleys. And this place is always beautiful to film. Such a beautiful little spot of Macau. So we're just gonna walk right into this coolness. What I call this coolness. It's a plaza right there, but I'm kind of interested in this fire. Get it? So that's somebody's home. And it's pretty cool. Oh, look how beautiful it is. It's framed like that. It's amazing. Look at that. Yeah, having it framed like that, that's a beautiful shot. But there's more to see. Like, look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Just a narrow little home, and up there's actually a balcony. So you can see like these windows that are open up at the top. And what's interesting about this is that they left some of these open, and I guess these are just all the different things for the heaters and things like that. Huh, never see those open. There's somebody with flowers. Oh, this is like so tempting to go any one of these directions, but I kind of want to go down this direction. It's called Barcelona. I'm just gonna go down, walk down this cool little space. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is right there. Frame it with those two windows like that. Now we have another framed shot right there. There's a window and a door. Man, that's beautiful. Okay, so this pink building to the right is called a Gastrobar Barcelona. So see, they also have a menu here too. Okay, and it's open. So we're just gonna keep walking and check out more stuff around here. So there's more artwork. Ah, look at that. That's a beautifully framed right there. Wow. Especially the way the lights come down. Look at that. So we're just gonna walk into this a little bit. This is actually, I saw a piece about this. There's an artist who came and he does, he basically like destroys the wall by like some kind of like thing that scrapes it. Crowbar, I think it's a crowbar. And he scrapes it and then he creates it into art. So it looks just like scrapings, right? But then if you step back a little bit, you'll see the bigger image. So we're gonna do that right now. Now you can see the face right there, right? Yeah, that's all just from crowbar. And I can't remember the name of that artist, but anyways, this looks old and not used anymore. This is all newer stuff as well. And we're gonna keep on walking. Got Taipa. And look how beautiful that frame this shot is right there. Let me go back a little bit. You got your pinks, you got your yellows, you have another yellow, you have green, you have this darker yellow as well. So as far as frame shots go, it doesn't get any better than that. Dang. Let me just see. So this video is already at 5 minutes, so I don't want to go any longer than that. So we're just going to conclude this one. We'll just watch the one person walk through and just frame this shot like that. And that's it for this.